financial professionals are expressing widespread optimism that Bitcoin may be about to experience a huge spike. It makes sense to assume that if Bitcoin rises, the whole cryptocurrency market, including XRP, may follow suit. One gets the impression that XRP is about to transcend its present limitations. I believe that an all-time high for XRP is not just feasible, but almost certain. However, let us avoid the territory of conspiracy ideas. I'm only expressing the consensus that XRP has a good possibility of hitting previously unheard of heights. It's difficult to imagine a situation in which the cryptocurrency market flourishes and XRP doesn't follow along with it, considering its position as a significant participant and constantly placing in the top 10 by market capitalization. The reasoning is simple. The entire market, particularly those currencies like XRP that provide real-world utility, is likely to be pulled along with Bitcoin if it climbs. Because of its usefulness in the Bitcoin ecosystem, it is a strong contender for rapid expansion. Although I'm not in the business of making precise price predictions, I'm confident in XRP's future course and want to share some analyst insights that have caught my eye today. It appears more likely than ever that XRP will see a significant rise shortly, especially if what looks to be the last market shakeout has occurred. I have a short favor to ask before we get into today's exciting updates. Please give us some support if you enjoy our articles. To join our amazing community, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. With more than 6 years of unwavering support, I have decided that XRP is my largest investment. I firmly believe that its value has the potential to rise substantially, especially now that Bitcoin is leading the way. What's coming up next? This was recently clarified by Credible Crypto, who stated that the drop to $38,500 represents our last significant decline before we reach new all-time highs. Drops of this magnitude are unlikely to occur anytime soon. As previously stated, I don't anticipate pullbacks going above 30% until we're breaking records. There are all the symptoms. It's time to relax, take in the ride, and let the market take care of itself, from the dominance of Bitcoin to the bullish signs of the RSI to the general market structure. This viewpoint is bold, to be sure. The fact that there haven't been any notable downturns is encouraging for XRP. As several analysts, including blockchain backer, have alluded to a possible market bottom, the focus is once again on XRP. It's not a given, of course, but most people agree that this is a very likely possibility. One noteworthy aspect of the current market shakeout was the rush of investors selling their XRP holdings in an attempt to vent their dissatisfaction. Online dissatisfaction with XRP hasn't been this high in years, which is frequently a harbinger of a market capitulation phase. This makes many people think that the market may have really reached its lowest point. This view is supported by Credible Crypto, which indicates that major declines are unlikely in the future. What does this mean for XRP, one would wonder? It appears like the odds favor little downward movement. It is possible to forecast that XRP is headed for new all-time highs if the support level of 54 cents holds, which is a crucial factor that is currently being watched. Chart analyst Ali Martinez emphasized a remarkable development, which increased the excitement. In just the past 10 days, Bitcoin whales have accumulated over 100,000 Bitcoins, which amounts to an investment of over $5 billion. The market doesn't appear to be preparing for a slowdown at this level of activity. On the contrary, it points to a market that is brimming with optimism. Bitcoin whales' aggressive accumulation approach should allay any concerns over the market's momentum. The state of the market suggests that it is healthy and ready for more expansion rather than a decline. Although a black swan event is unlikely, the general market outlook doesn't seem to support such a dire scenario. According to recent research by Crypto Insight UK, Bitcoin may be aiming for a price point of $56,000. With analysts worldwide keeping a close eye on crucial XRP thresholds, especially the 60 cents level, this prediction makes us wonder about the potential repercussions for XRP. There is a lot of speculation that exceeding this might spark a major momentum boost. Although there are differing views, the consensus is obvious, with some analysts suggesting a 66-cent trigger point. Since there isn't any immediate resistance above these levels, breaking them might pave the way for a quick climb. As we get closer to what many believe will be an exciting time for XRP aficionados, the excitement grows. The fact that XRP has experienced a significant increase in trade volume, a reported $1.6 billion in a 24-hour period, which later adjusted to an even more astounding $1.85 billion, has added to the enthusiasm. This number represents a significant increase in market activity and interest, dwarfing the typical trade volumes. A Finbold headline claims that XRP's bullish momentum brought in over $1 billion in a single day, highlighting the increasing interest in its potential. Even though the rise was only 5%, it challenged the pessimists with its upward trajectory at a time when the sentiment was pessimistic. The market is ready for bigger changes that will pave the way for several forward motions. With a daily close above 54 cents and a touch at a resistance level of $0.5785, chart analyst Cryptos emphasized XRP's impressive performance. The community is now eagerly awaiting the weekly close in the hopes that the positive trends will continue. In a similar vein, Nick, the crypto crusader, pointed out that several altcoins, such as HBAR, XRP, and Casper, are about to break through important resistance levels, indicating the start of a significant wave of market movements. The indications of a developing rally are getting more and more obvious, even though it's imperative to approach the market patiently and avoid being impetuous. From VE Chain's noteworthy performance to the individual experience with HBAR, the varied reactions across different cryptocurrencies demonstrate a larger trend of optimism and resurrection among the crypto community. With XRP and its colleagues leading this exciting era, it is evident that the landscape is ready for change as these advancements take place. A basic reality about investing is highlighted by the experience with XRP, or any cryptocurrency for that matter. Patience and long-term dedication are more important than trying to time the market. When I think back on my personal experience, the first 3 years of owning XRP were a test of my ability to persevere, despite constant purchases. My investment frequently remained in the red or near break-even. I learned an important lesson throughout this time. Trying to time the market is a dangerous venture that is likely to fail. The secret to success is to be consistently exposed to the asset over time, not to forecast short-term swings. Nick, the crypto activist, recently revealed insights into the price movements of XRP, further emphasizing this mindset of perseverance. If the current momentum continues, he noted, there could be a bullish outcome, particularly if the weekly candle closure is above important trend lines. A breakout over 60 cents, which can cause a great deal of market enthusiasm, is anticipated, and the recovery of all weekly EMAs, or exponential moving averages, is encouraging. It's important to keep in mind that every cryptocurrency community has the same feelings of confusion and frustration, especially when you're feeling doubtful or impatient. These emotions are a normal part of how people react to market conditions, which highlights how crucial it is to keep a good attitude and concentrate on the long-term possibilities. I'm still quite excited about how XRP and the cryptocurrency sector as a whole are developing. As a community, we have overcome many obstacles and are about to experience potentially revolutionary changes. Even if there are no guarantees in the market, XRP's current position, supported by steady growth and a more encouraging market environment, makes a strong case for confidence. Bitcoin may need to clear the way, but XRP and other cryptocurrencies seem to have a bright future ahead of them, with plenty of opportunities for those who are prepared to travel the path with patience and confidence. There is a noticeable sense of expectation that XRP will soar to previously unheard of heights in this cautiously optimistic environment. The phrase XRP all-time highs program captures the fervor and lofty hopes that many have for its future success. Frequent price checks and a close eye on market fluctuations characterize this moment of expectation. These behaviors, though perhaps exaggerated, highlight the enthusiasm and involvement within the Bitcoin community. Please keep in mind that I do not hold a financial advisor license. These videos' content is solely intended for viewing enjoyment. Before making any financial decisions, I always advise viewers to do their own research and speak with experts. Many thanks for listening. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Additionally, to be the first to know when I post new stuff, make sure you enable the alerts. I can't wait to see you again in the next video. Be careful.